Welcome back to Learn English with us. Hi, Steve. What are we learning today?
Hi, Maya. Today we're going shopping because this lesson is all about shopping and clothes in English.
Oh, that's fun. I love shopping, but sometimes I don't know what to say in English stores.
Don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask for sizes, prices, and even get discounts politely.
Perfect. Let's go shopping together.
When you enter a store, the shop assistant usually says, "Hello, can I help you? Are you looking for something special? Let me know if you need any help." And you can answer, "Just looking, thank you." Yes, I'm looking for a dress. I'm looking for a jacket in size medium.
So, just looking means I'm only checking around, right?
Exactly. It's very common and polite. Let's do a quick role play. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, I'm just looking, thank you.
No problem. Let me know if you need anything.
Sure, thanks.
Perfect, easy, and friendly. Now, let's learn how to ask for specific clothes or sizes. Useful phrases. Do you have this in size small? Do you have it in another color? Can I try it on? Where are the fitting rooms? It's too big, too small. It fits perfectly.
So many useful ones. I always forget how to say it when I want to try on clothes.
You just say, "Can I try it on?"
Got it. Let's practice. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in size medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
Perfect.
And how does it fit?
It fits perfectly.
That's great. Once you like something, you'll probably want to know the price. Here are the key sentences. How much is this? It's $25. Is it on sale? Do you have any discounts? That's too expensive. It's a good price.
Oh, yes, I always ask. Is it on sale?
We all do. Let's do a quick example.
Excuse me, how much is this dress?
It's $45.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Nice. I'll take it.
Good choice. When you're trying clothes, you can say, "It's too big." "It's too small." "It doesn't fit." "It fits well." "It looks great." And to comment on colors, "I like the red one better." "This color suits you." "The blue one looks nice on you."
So if I want to say that something suits me, I can say, it looks good on me.
Exactly. or it fits me well. Let's practice one together. How's the dress?
It's a bit too small. Do you have a larger size?
Yes, one moment. Here's a size large.
Oh, that fits perfectly.
And the color looks great on you.
Thank you. I really like it.
Now it's time to pay. Here are the common phrases. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Do you take cash? Can I get a receipt, please? Thank you. Have a nice day.
Simple and polite. I love that.
Let's see the dialogue.
I'll take this dress, please.
Of course. That's $45.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Thank you. Can I have a receipt, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Time for a quick challenge. I'll say a situation, you answer like a native speaker. You want to try on a jacket.
Can I try it on?
Perfect. You like it, but it's too expensive.
It's nice, but it's too expensive.
Great. You want to pay by card.
Can I pay by card, please?
Excellent. You're a professional shopper now. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for a jacket in size medium.
Sure, here's one.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Of course. The fitting rooms are over there.
It's too big. Do you have a smaller one?
Yes, here's a small.
Perfect. It fits very well. How much is it?
It's $60, but it's on sale. 20% off.
Nice. I'll take it.
Great choice. Will you pay by card?
Yes, please.
Here's your receipt. Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Let's review today's key expressions. Shopping English. Can I try it on? Do you have this in size medium? How much is this? It fits perfectly. I'll take it. Can I pay by card?
That's everything I need for my next shopping trip.
Exactly. You can now shop confidently anywhere in the world.
What's the challenge for today?
Easy. Next time you go shopping, try asking one question in English like, do you have this in size small?
Deal.
If you liked this lesson, like, share, and subscribe.
And remember, confidence starts with one simple sentence.
See you in the next lesson.
For now.